students. How are you? Hope you're fine and safe at home. Here we are going to discuss our activities. Are you ready? Okay. Before that, let me ask you a question. Do you read our chapter? Do you read? How many times you read? 3 times. Very good. Okay. Now I am going to ask you some question. Get ready to answer. Okay. All of you take page number 5. Take page number 5. Show what you know. Show what you know. Who spoke this to whom? Your question is, who spoke this to whom? Paste the picture from the speaker, from the sticker page and then write. Who spoke this to whom? Take the stickers from sticker page and paste here. Okay, ready? First, where are you going? Who asked that? Where are you going? Yes, God. The God to Birbal. These words were spoken by the God to Birbal. So, paste the sticker of God. Then second one, do you really want to be whipped? Do you really want to be whipped? Who asked that question? Do you remember? Yes, that's the question of Akbar, Emperor Akbar. These words were spoken by, right there, this word was spoken by Akbar to Birbal. This word was spoken by Akbar to Birbal. Then third one, may I have your permission to call him? May I have your permission to call him? Who asked that? Who? Yes, Birbal asked to Birbal. These words were spoken by Birbal to Emperor Akbar. These words spoken by Birbal to Emperor Akbar. So write there that answer and take page number 6. Take page number 6. Section B. Complete the following sentence using because. Complete the following sentence using by because. First, the God stopped Birbal. How can I write it used by because? Yes, because he wanted money in return for permission. First one, the God stopped Birbal because he wanted money in return for the permission to enter the palace. Right there, because he wanted money in return for the permission to enter the palace. Have you finished? Okay. Second one, Birbal became Akbar's favorite. Birbal became Akbar's favorite. How can we write used by because? Yes, because he was witty and intelligent. He was witty and intelligent. So write there because he was witty and intelligent. Third one, Birbal asked to be whipped. What is the reason? Because he wanted to teach the God a lesson. Because he wanted to teach the God a lesson. You write. Let me read it once again. Because he wanted to teach the God a lesson. Then fourth one, Akbar was surprised. Akbar was surprised. What is the reason? Yes, because Birbal had made a strange request. Because Birbal had made a strange request to be whipped 100 times. Birbal has made a strange request to be whipped 100 times. That is the reason. Next, word smart. Write down 2 things that you find in classroom. Can you say any equipments we saw in classroom? We see in classroom? Can you say? Yes, table, chair. Very good. Table and chair you can see in classroom. And what about bedroom? Second one, in bedroom. Yes, dressing table and bed. Dressing table and bed we can see in bedroom. In palace, what about palace? Can you say any equipments we can see in palace? Yes, throne. Throne and gods. Throne and gods. Then in garden, sinks and fountains. In garden we can see sinks and fountains. Then in village, can you see in village? Hut. Yes, very good. Hut and well. Hut and well. And in a kitchen, what are the equipments we can see in kitchen? Yes, stove, news. Stove and news. Good. Next, we are going to discuss language smart. Language smart. Here we are going to learn past tense. Past tense. What is past tense? Do you know? And you know? Yes, we are going to learn it. Some words tells us about things that have already happened. Some words tells us about things that have already happened. They are yesterday words. They are yesterday words. Many yesterday words end in ed. Many yesterday words end in ed. For example, climbed, climbed, talked, is, was. Is the auxiliary. It is became in past tense was. And are became, what is the past form of are? Were. Very good. Were. Climb became climbed, talked, is, was, are, were. That is the example for past tense. Okay. Okay dears, this is the enough for today. And I will give you the activity. Complete the puzzle by filling the past form and complete the puzzle by filling the past form of the given verbs with the help of clues. That you can do it as your homework. That work, do it as your homework. Okay. Thank you dears.